A large number of labels or stickers are required for all kinds of products. Label making is a big industry in itself. On the back of all adhesive labels, there is a second piece of paper attached. This is called a release liner. Usually this liner is thrown away after sticker use and cannot be used again. In India, about 1 billion square meters of release liner paper is used every year. Both the production and execution of producing these release liners come with a huge impact on the environment. To ride over this problem, Greater Noida-based MSME Kumar Labels has developed an efficient solution. The company, through its equipment manufacturing unit, Hassle-Free Technologies, has developed a label printing machine that can print labels or stickers on either side of a release liner. This innovation can cut up to 50% of release liner paper consumption.
The release liner is a non-recyclable part which India alone produces about 1 billion square meters. And all of this 1 billion square meters is thrown away in landfills. And it's a major environmental concern all over the world, not just India. We came up with is a technology called as SRTF, wherein we have a single release liner, but two face stocks, one on the front and one on the back. So essentially what we have been able to do is reduce the consumption of this release liner by 50% by making use of the earlier unused side.
This innovative technological development from Hassle-Free Technologies is supported under the Srijan scheme, which was initiated by the Department of Science and Technologies, TIFAC, in collaboration with Small Industries Development Bank of India, or SIDBI. The technology is the first in the world to allow printing on both sides of the release paper, and it is a proud moment that this innovative solution has come from an Indian company. This innovation will not only save paper but also make label printing, its storage and its transportation much more economical. The damage caused to the environment would also be reduced.
SRTF as a technology has been developed by Kumar Labels for the first time ever anywhere else in the world. We're very proud that an Indian company, an MSME, a small company with the support of SIDBI and TIFAC, we were able to roll this out. Again, not just the material, not just the print, not just the cutting, but also the equipment was manufactured in India, yet again for the first time, and of course it is covered by our patent, and we are now looking at opportunities to make it global.
With the aim of promoting and supporting micro, small and medium industries in the country, TIFAC, in association with SIDBI, had launched the Srijan scheme in 2010. The aim was to create business opportunities in emerging technological areas to support the early stage commercialization of innovations by MSMEs, entrepreneurs and startups. This helps to prove the market readiness level of innovations primarily in the manufacturing by bridging the financial value of depth in the innovation ecosystem. It is hoped that this will increase the self-reliance of the Indian industry.